You know that moment that you said something amazing and you just wish you had pressed record? What if you had the ability to have all of those moments captured so you can decide later what you want to actually do with the footage? I want to introduce you to my latest gadget. This is the Insta360 camera that records in, well, 360. So here's me, and here's me with these guys. What's amazing about this little camera is that you can actually have one device cover the entire room as an orbit video that you can worry about the footage later when you want to cut and make your own content. One of the things I love the most about this is that it's a plug and play system. I can just walk into a workshop, set up my tripod, and then just hit record, and it records the entire workshop for 8 hours. And then I can worry about, those moments that I felt were really precious. What do I want to do with them? That's something I can worry about after the workshop. The other thing I love about this is that because the video is 360, it means that it's not only recording what I'm saying, but it's also capturing the audience interaction. The third thing that I love about this little device is what happens when you plug it in. Well, all the data automatically transfers to the cloud through Wi-Fi, and the camera actually deletes the SD card, which means I can now use it tomorrow without worrying about space. In the meantime, Victoria goes to work because she has access to all that information from the cloud, and the video is ready by the next morning. Isn't that awesome? I'm excited because this coming Sunday, I have a workshop, and of course I'll be taking this little device with me, so stay tuned for more footage. Until then, enjoy this video we made from our last team lunch where we were kind of playing around with this device. See you later.
Okay. Who did this?